some would say that today a lot of judges are coming under personal attacks, and you've seen that in the recent past it's become a norm. How do you respond to those kind of attacks that are taking place?
See, I firmly believe that a judge speaks through his judgment and order, and therefore whatever he does, of course in the public realm or in the public domain, that is certainly available to be seen, to be criticized, to be assimilated, to be analyzed by any person, be it a legal scholar or be it any person, be even a commoner. He can certainly stand up and say that according to me the judgment may not be correct for reasons ABC. So long as the objections and criticism is well within bounds, with certain amount of deference, that you are dealing with a judgment, not the judge behind that, correct? Criticize that judgment, criticize the view to the extent possible. You may have a counter view. You may say that the perhaps I think the judges failed to understand or take into account the earlier binding view, and therefore say that the judgment cannot be tested on the anvil of the binding law. Certainly yes. So any suggestions, any criticism, any objections, any comments which are within those bounds are certainly welcome, because that's the process of administration of justice, because that furthers the process. The judges also get enlightened in the process. It is true that every human being at some stage may have committed a mistake. So judges also know their mistakes, and perhaps I think they'll be a better lot after these kind of experiences. But at the same time, the criticism should not cross that border or the limit, correct? And to the extent that it becomes a personal attack on the judges, then that's not a good sign for the entire democracy, entire judicial administration. Because today you are attacking one judge. If that culture develops, then tomorrow it will be the in thing that will dissuade good talented people from accepting judgeship. They will not enter the judicial service. That is also something which will be counterproductive to the entire society.